Hi, hello, welcome friends. In this video, I am going to discuss about GST updates. So, I am going to cover two updates. One related to Rule 37A and another one related to DRC 01C. So, what is this advisory provided in GST? So, this advisory came on 14/11/2023. So, first related to Rule 37A. What is there in Rule 37A? That is, in first point, he will tell that about related to if you are a person, if you are a recipient or your supplier from whom you are purchasing some goods, or the persons are not filed GSTR1 or IFF scheme or their GSTR1, but you have taken their ITC in form GSTR3B. So that ITC need to be reversal now if the person is not filed within 30 September of the following year, means last 30 September 2023 up to 2023 September 30 September. If your supplier is not filed their GSTR1 or they are not shown their GSTR1 your details, then if you take it in ITC in your GSTR3B, you need to reversal of that portion of ITC required. How much time is required? Up to 30 November of the following year, means that is now. October month return is filing now. So before filing October month, you need to reversal that ITC whatever taken in GSTR3B which your supplier is not shown in their GSTR1 or not filed their GSTR1. So up to 30 September is related to supplier date and it is recipient date 30 November. Next, to facilitate, it is Rule 37 will discuss this amount that GST portal was sent some persons communicated their email that effect, that is there is some differences you need to reversal they will send. So for this purpose, way to reversal in table 4B2 in GSTR3B now October month, table 4B2 you need to adjust that one. So first advisory related to reversal will be there. Supplier if not filed in 30 September, you need to reversal in that up to 30 November, and that mail was sent to all taxpayers some persons, and you need to adjust in GSTR3B 4B2 table. This is first advisory. And second advisory, what is there in second advisory? GST DRC 01C, that is difference in ITC available in GSTR2B and versus GSTR3. Just a second. GSTR3B. So whereas GSTR2B, GSTR3B, if you have a different ITC in these cases, you need to make some payments or you need to provide the explanation. So what is their first point? It is informed that GST is working in a, they are generated some automated intimation through some persons who that automated intimation form will be DRC 01C form, and it will explain about differences between GSTR2B and GSTR3B return which you have filed in respective month. So now it will be available differences, whatever differences you will generated a DRC 01C form. It will it will just compare the functionality GSTR3B and GSTR2B. If GSTR3B ITC exceeds GSTR2B, that predefined limits or percentage differences. So once upon a time they give the percentage like you can claim more than 20% not there in GSTR2B, you can claim more than 10% not there in GSTR2B, and 5%. So that percentage is given at that point of time. So if you are claimed more than this percentage, you need to give now explanation or you need to pay the amount. So from way to pay amount, so if you want to pay the amount, difference amount, you need to use the DRC 03, or if you are already paid at that different amount, you need to provide that details, settlement details. If you have not want to pay, if you have any explanation related to, you need to provide that explanation, or you can pay some amount, you can give some explanation in that DRC01. so it is response to DRC01. so taxpayer must require to respond that DRC01. either you can pay, or either you can explain, or either you can explain and pay. Both you can do anything as per your comfort. And in case no response, if you are not responses, then they will not allow to you to file a GSTR1 or IFF scheme for the next period. This is related to DRC01C form.